2026 UNConference. I'm Eliud Custodio at Turn One Studio, and I'm sitting with Darlene Williams, president of the Black Authors Festival.
Yes.
Welcome.
Thank you so much for having me.
Oh, it's our pleasure. So we're hot off your presentation,
Yeah,
and that was called Die Empty.
correct.
For those who couldn't be here, what did they miss?
So what they missed was that we all have talents, gifts, and abilities.
Mm-hmm.
But if we don't recognize that our talents, gifts, and abilities are made for everyone else and not ourselves, then we die full. And we don't bless others with what we've been blessed with.
That's interesting. And you captivated the audience when you were speaking. I don't know if you realized that from
Thank
being
you
on the
so
stage
much.
there. They were paying attention.
Thank you. Yes, I've had people come up to me and say, you were speaking directly to me. Thank you.
And if I remember correctly, it was really towards the end of your presentation, or at least the point that I picked it up, where you explained giving your gifts away
Right.
is the process of dying empty.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
How does a presentation like this and wisdom like this connect with the Black Authors Festival?
So it connects with the Black Authors Festival because our purpose is to amplify literacy in the Black community because
Okay.
that's where literacy rates are the lowest. But also right now there is a pervasiveness that is taking place with banning Black literature.
Is there? Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's been the biggest ban on books, on Black books since slavery.
Okay.
So it's important that we get people to realize, and Black people to realize, the importance of literacy because it is your passport to having a better life.
Yeah, literacy is
So-
everything.
And it's also a fundraiser to my husband's nonprofit, A Father's Love. He started off extremely humble beginnings without a father, and he was illiterate. And he taught himself how to read. As a
Wow.
result, he's a best-selling author. He has curricula in all of the juvenile justice facilities across New York City. And he's now a licensed therapist in 2 states, as well as he's done some phenomenal things. But he did it through literacy. So it's not specific to him,
Interesting.
but you can't use it if you don't know it.
Sure. Is your organization Long Island based?
Yes,
It is.
it's nationwide. Actually, we are spreading to Georgia this year as well. So the goal is to make it national.
Fantastic. So I know the conference is picking back up again, so we have to wrap up. How could folks learn more about your organization?
www.blackauthors.festival.com.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much for having me. It's
Pleasure.
a pleasure.